Okay, now we move on to the next one topic, that is a Legendre's linear differential equation. So the equation is of the form a naught ax plus b square y double dash plus a1 ax plus b to the power of 1 y dash plus a2 y is equal to pi of x. Okay. The difference between the Cauchy's and Legendre's equation is, in the Cauchy's here it is only the x term, but in the Legendre's it is what, ax plus b term. That is the difference in Cauchy's and Legendre's. Remember, Cauchy's means x square y double dash, but Legendre's means what, ax plus b square y double dash. The same thing here, I said we have to put what, t is equal to log of ax plus b, correct. T is equal to, apply log to this one, ax plus b, or we can write log taken on this side, e to the power of t equal to what, ax plus b, correct. Remember, it should be same, the power and the order should be same. Okay. Next, again I need this one, no, so ax plus b into y dash. As I said in the Cauchy's, y dash means one time differentiation, so we are writing dy. But in the Legendre's, the difference is what, you have to write the x quotient. What is the x quotient here? A having a power 1, so into a I am writing. Similarly, I need this one, no, so that is what, ax plus b the whole square y double dash. As I said, y double dash means two product we have to write, that is what, d into d minus 1 into y, but what is the quotient of x here? A having a power 2, so we have to write that one as a square. Similarly, I will similarly I'll write for what, ax plus b the whole cube y triple dash is equal to, same thing, y triple dash means three product, d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, and x having the quotient a having the power 3, so write down a cube. All these things you have to put in this equation 1. These are all the part in equation 1 and solve it. Okay, now we move on to the first problem. See, the first problem is what, solve 1 plus x the whole square y double dash plus 1 plus x to the power of 1 y dash plus y is equal to sine of 2 log of 1 plus x. How we know that the given equation is a Legendre's or a Cauchy's? As I said, Cauchy's means x y term and Legendre's means ax plus b into y. So this is in the form of ax plus b. So this one is a Legendre's differential equation, correct. So next we have to put here in this t is equal to what, log of this terms, no, that is what, 1 plus x, or we can write log taken on this side, e to the power of t is equal to what, 1 plus x. Okay. Similarly, I need this one term first, no, that is what, 1 plus x to the power of 1 into y dash. This one is nothing but y dash means, I said, one time differentiation, so dy, x having the quotient term 1, no need to write that one. And similarly, I need this one, 1 plus x the whole square y double dash. So y double dash means 2 product, d into d minus 1 into y, and x having the quotient 1, 1 square is 1 only. Okay, all these things we have to substitute in the equation 1. In equation 1, what I'll get, in the place of this one I have to put this one, so d into d minus 1, y taking common, plus 1 plus x y dash means what, d plus 1 remaining here into what, 1 this one, y is equal to what, sine of 2 log of 1 plus x means what, t, so 2t. So if you simplify now, this one will get d into d is d square minus d plus d, and this one is 1 into y is equal to sine of 2t. Next, d get cancelled, d square minus 1 into y is equal to sine of 2t. Next, so I'm writing directly that one, the auxiliary equation will write as what, m square minus 1 is equal, sorry, plus this one, m square plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore m equal to what? Plus or minus I. So the complementary function is what? Y c we can take, or cf. So complementary function equal to what? C1 cos of t, because t is a function here. So plus c2 sin of t. This is the complementary function. Similarly, we move on to the particular integral. Yp is equal to what? I'll get the particular integral sin of 2t, no? So pi of t divided by f of d. Pi of t is nothing but what? Sin of 2t divided by d square plus 1. What I'm going to replace here? I'm going to replace, so this is a type 2 problem, so we are going to replace in a trigonometric d square by minus a square. A square is nothing but what? 2 square, that is what? Minus 4. If I replace now, I'll get the answer, this one, sin of 2t divided by d square is minus 4 plus 1, so minus plus 1 is minus 3. Therefore I'll get yp is equal to minus sin of 2t divided by 3. So this one is yp. So you know that how you have to write the final answer is what? The general solution y equal to yc plus yp. So add that one, you'll get the answer as what? Therefore y equal to yc is c1 cos of t plus c2 sin of t, and this one minus sin of 2t by 3. But the problem is in the function of x, so therefore y is equal to c1 cos of, and t means what? T means log of 1 plus x plus c2 sin of log of 1 plus x minus sin of 2, t means log of 1 plus x by 3. This is the required answer. Okay, similarly we move on to the next problem. Solve 3x plus 2 the whole square y double dash plus 3 into 3x plus 2 y dash minus 36y equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. As we know that if it is in the form of ax plus b into y form, means it is a Legendre's equation, so it is a Legendre's linear differential equation. And check the power also, here 2 is there, 2 second degree, so power is 1 and first order. So same thing, first we have to put t is equal to log of this term ax plus b, log of 3x plus 2, or we can write this one as log taken on this side e to the power of t equal to 3x plus 2. But one thing is there, in the last problem direct we get the value, but here there is no 3x plus 2 term, so convert this is in the form of x term. So therefore I'll write this one x equal to, what do you get the x value from this one? So 2 taken on this side e to the power of t minus 2 by 3, so we'll get x equal to t, correct? If you substitute this one in this equation, you'll get the answer as what? So I'll rewrite that one last. So next, this one I want now. So 3x plus 2 into y dash. Y dash means one time differentiation dy, so x having the quotient 3. So similar next one, I need this one, 3x plus 2 into y double, the whole square y double dash. Y double dash means what? D into d minus 1 into y, x having the quotient 3. 3 square is nothing but what? 9. All these things you have to substitute in equation 1. In equation 1, what I'll get? I'll get here this one, 9 d into d minus 1, y taking common, plus here 3 into 3 is again 9 d, y common, plus minus 36 this one into y is equal to, when I'll put x in this equation, no, so wherever the x is there you replace by what? E to the power of minus 2 divided by 3, and solve it, you will get the answer as 8 by 9 e to the power of 2t minus 20 by 9 e to the power of t plus 17 by 9. Okay, then similarly solve this one also, you'll get the answer 9 d square minus 36, so I'm taking 9 common, d square minus 4 into y equal to this term 8 by 9 e to the power of 2t minus 20 by 9 e to the power of t plus 17 by 9, and or we can 9 cross multiplied, we will get this one as d square minus 4 into y is equal to 81, 9 into 9 81, 81 81. We will take, if I take 1 by 9 common and multiplied with this 9, so 1 by 81 into 8 e to the power of 2t minus 20 e to the power of t plus 17. Okay, next solve that one. So write down the auxiliary equation, that is what, m square minus 4 equal to 0, therefore m equal to what, I'll get the answer plus or minus 2. So the complementary function yc equal to what, c1 e to the power of 2t plus c2 e to the power of minus 2t. This is the complementary function. Similarly go for what, particular integral, that is yp equal to what, I'll get 1 by 81, I'll take outside and separate, I'll write this one 8 e to the power of 2t divided by d square minus 4 minus 20 e to the power of t divided by d square minus 4, and the last one, that is what, plus 17, so constant, no, so e to the power of 0 t, I will write that one, that is nothing but 1 d square minus 4. Okay, so directly I'll solve here only. What I'm going to replace here, d by what, 2. If I'll put 2 in this, no, so this is a type 1, so 0 I'll get, so 8 e to the power of 2t by 0. Other side, if we get a 0 means what you have to do, again multiply t, no, so 8t e to the power of 2t divided by, differentiate this one, so 2d I'll get, again we replace d by what, 2, so we'll get the answer by 2 2s are 4, so 4 1s are 4 2s are, so 2t e to the power of 2t I'll get, so I'll write this now 1 by 81. Similarly I'll move on to this one. What I'm going to replace here, d by quotient of t is what, 1. If I replace 1, no, what I'll get here, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, no, so minus into minus plus 20 e to the power of 3 t by 3, and here what I'm going to replace, d by what, 0. If I replace 0 I'll get minus, no, so plus into minus, so minus 17 by 4. This is the particular integral I'll get. Okay, therefore the general solution y equal to yc plus yp, and similarly you write down the final answer. So we'll get this as a final answer.